Did you know your Vancouver home has a hidden fire risk? Our coastal humidity accelerates electrical corrosion in appliances. Last year, Vancouver Fire Rescue reported over 4,300 fires, and many started with common appliances. Your kitchen oven is the biggest culprit, causing over 50 of domestic appliance fires. And your dryer? Failure to clean the vent leads to 15,500 fires annually across North America. The good news? Regular maintenance can prevent up to 80 of these disasters. Learn the warning signs before it's too late. For a complete safety guide, read our blog post linked in the description. If you need expert appliance repair in Vancouver, call Starline Appliance Repair, North Vancouver today.